How to close Shopify store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen, then click on plans, and you will get to this page from which you can delete your store by clicking on the red button that says deactivate. Shopify may ask you to give them a reason as to why you want to delete your account, your store. So go ahead and do that, and after that they will ask for a password confirmation. Once you enter your password, your account will be disabled and your store will be deleted. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and close your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.